Hey, what's up guys, my name is Leighton J. In today's video is a vlog. We are going to Minnesota, Mall of America. That's what I'm talking about. Right now we're at Noodles and Company. Allison's in there getting some Noodles and Company. We just went to Dunkin' Donuts, and the cool thing about Dunkin' Donuts, Allison has the app, and every month she gets like a free, like we don't even go there, but she gets a free drink once a month. So yeah, that's what it is. Here she comes, here she comes. Here she comes with food. Let's see what she got.
I'm so scared, I just ordered.
What'd you order?
Sorry.
What'd you order?
Sorry. I hope you can forgive me.
Alfredo.
Yeah. Because I didn't even see any other dishes, to be honest.
There's a lot of dishes.
I got crusted chicken.
Alfredo. Can you open it for them really quick? I just want to see it.
I don't think they had as many options as one would usually have.
I think they got a pretty good option.
I didn't see anything. I saw Asian and I got scared. I'm like, what if he doesn't like it? Because I didn't know if he'd like it. Because I don't know what kind of food you like that. This looks delicious though, doesn't it?
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let me take one chicken. Pretty good.
Go guys.
You see Polo's white Ulriman?
Bye.
Dunkin' Pup Cups the dog just had. If you follow me on Snapchat, just posted the video on there. I'll put it on here for you guys too. Alright, before we go, I gotta shut the trunk. I wanted to show them.
Is our bags in there?
Yep. There's the doggies. They're coming. First time out of the state. First time out of the state, babies. Alright. This is everything. So this is my bag. This one's my bag. And this one's Allison's bag. You know how cool it is? Allison, where did you get your bag from?
TJ Maxx.
I mean, how much?
20.
20 bucks. Allison got her bag for 20 bucks. This one's hers. I got mine on the curb for $0. So that's cool. And they're literally the same. And then brought those. She's bringing this because we're going to go past some Plato's Closet out of state and see if they will pay us for any of those. And yeah, that's everything pretty much. We got some of the dog stuff. We got the dog stuff down here. That's all dog food and stuff like that. We got the tripods. We brought a couple tripods. Is there a small tripod in here? Yes, it is. Yep, I see it. It's right there. Perfect. Wanted to make sure we still have it. We got the dogs right there. Actually, I'm going to bring it up front so they don't sit on it or anything. Perfect. Ugh. The thing is, I kind of have to go to the bathroom, but I'll just wait, right? We're going to switch in an hour. She's going to drive the first half. I'll drive the second half because I feel like the second half will be more scarier in a different state than the first half. The first half is pretty much just this state you got to drive through. This is the food. All right, look at that sign. Minneapolis. All right, wait for that. Yeah, wait for that.
Should I?
Well, too late now. Wait for that truck. Now go. Now we're hitting the highway, so we better watch both ways.
We hit an exit.
Exits are everywhere, Allison.
True that.
Alright, guys. Allison's still driving. I'm probably going to switch her pretty soon.
You got 40 minutes left.
40 minutes, then I'm taking over.
And then we'll be
because it's actually pretty easy. Look, guys. Ooh, those mountains look fun. Those are Iowa mountains, guys. Cornfield mountains. Look how boring this is. Rest stop coming up.
Actually, the scariest thing is
dogs are up here now.
So I do see a gas station there, but this whole thing, I haven't really seen any like gas stations.
Yeah.
It's pretty bare.
I know. But people should be smart enough to get your oil filled or get your gas filled.
But you're driving a far ways.
Since we got our gas filled, everything.
We're still
that's the time.
412 miles till empty.
That's it.
Went up.
Oh shit.
From 4.
Oh, it's 55 miles an hour right now, and you're going.
What?
You're going 70.
How?
You're going 80.
No.
I don't know. That says 55. Oh, because we're in a town now. We're in a town.
What the fuck kind of town is this?
Oh, see, like that's 45 right when you go on the highway, or right when you go up.
I'll slow it down, but ain't nobody else slowing it down.
Because we're finally in the town area.
Oh, we're on a highway.
I don't know. It says 55, and you were going like 70, 80, Allison.
80.
There's the dogs. They decided, look, they have the whole back, and it's kind of dirty, but kind of clean. And they want to sit on my lap. Polo, Molly, you guys want to sit on my lap, right?
You guys want to sit on my lap?
Yeah, you baby. I love
Okay,
you.
here's my plan. I'm going to pass this one and then get over.
All right. We'll catch you guys on the flippity flip. There you go. this is how much we have left. That's the time. The dogs are back there playing with the ball Molly found. I threw back there. Ooh, I don't know what face she's making.
I was trying to see the sign to see if it had a gas station on it.
We're at Clear Lake. That's what that says. Alright.
We are about to switch off in about 10 minutes now.
So, I'm going to go use the restroom now, and Allison's walking the doggies, making sure they need to use the restroom over there next to the trees. We just parked at a gas pump. Maybe get gas again, I don't know. There they are. We're going to go inside here. Alright, we are back on the road. I am now driving. We got the pugs in the back. I think Molly's playing with their ball. And yeah, hour and 40 minutes. Let go. Welcome to Minnesota. Hey!
That was actually pretty cute.
Yeah.
We are in Minnesota. Oh,
hey,
shit. It's still
cold
zoomed
in
in.
Minnesota. It's getting cold in Minnesota.
We are in Minnesota.
Minnesota. What's
Hell
up?
yeah. This is gonna get real fucking stressful.
Yes, it is, because I'm going 60. There's cars on my ass. Got a semi in front of me. Semi slowing down. Now I gotta slow down. Hopefully there's
Use
not
the
behind
left
me.
2 lanes to take exit 88A
Wait.
on the left to merge onto I-35WN towards Minneapolis.
Oh my fucking hell! That guy is all like about to tap me.
Yeah, he is.
He's about to tap me.
Just focus on the road.
Well, I don't want someone to tap me from behind. Nah, I got this. If we took this exit, it'd be St. Paul.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Is he still about to tap you?
Exit left.
Wait, so it is not even an exit? We got stressed for nothing. It's just a I told you.
In 8.6 miles.
It's just a
take
highway.
Exit 9A onto
So,
I-494
exit 9A, so-
What's that mean, express lane? What the fuck does that mean?
Just get out of it.
Can I go on the express lane?
No. But stay in this lane.
What does express lane mean?
I don't know. It's not. No, you probably have to pay. I don't know. All right, guys.
We are here. The place, our hotel looks like a fucking trash bag. I think it looks pretty disgusting. But we gotta see the inside. Are you gonna film or not? Why can I not see? We're at Coolers.
I'm not gonna record them. I'll record you.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, wait, is that not a hotel?
That's Culver's.
No. This is our hotel. But where do we park?
Our hotel does not look that bad.
Are you sure? It looks pretty bad. Yeah, but where the hell do I park at? Alright, we got the dogs. There's Allison. This is our door. I'm gonna use this. Do I just put it like this? Oh shit, it worked. Alright, let's see our place. Ah, it doesn't look bad. Oh, that's a big bed. Wow, okay. I think I'll park right here somewhere then, so we can see our car, because I don't like that I can't see my car. But this actually doesn't look bad at all. Does it come with the fridge though?
Oh, go.
Allison, I don't think it comes with the fridge.
Yeah, it does.
Where?
I watched a video. Not in there. It was like a secret thing, I thought.
Nope, no
It
fridge.
showed that it came with a fridge.
That kind of sucks.
That does suck.
It really sucks. How do you open up the... Yay, Allison, we get some shampoo. Look what they gave us. You want to see our shampoo? It doesn't...
You can request for more.
It doesn't look bad, I guess. I wish it was I wish we had a shower bath, but I guess this is fine.
Do you fit in here?
I think that's Walmart, Allison. Yeah, it's Walmart.
Huh.
Wait, well, why would we get McDonald's if Walmart's right there?
Well, do you have your car? I have dogs.
We can come back without the dogs, but I want to start walking everywhere because it's scary to drive down here.
Especially when it's right here.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're at Walmart. We're getting some food.
Even though
We don't have a fridge, and what else don't we have?
a microwave.
We don't have a fridge or a microwave, so I don't know. They said there's a microwave downstairs in the lobby, so we're gonna use it. And then we got donuts for tomorrow morning. So yeah, catch you guys up later. All right, guys, it's the end of the video, and yeah, it's the end of the video. We're just at our place. We haven't done anything real today. We kind of just hung around the house because we got here at 6, 7, and now it's 9 o'clock. So we've only been here for 2-3 hours. And it's kind of ghetto where we're at. We only pay, how much do we pay for, but
$189 for 3 nights.
$189 for 3 nights. That's pretty good. Free breakfast in the morning. The thing is, it doesn't come with a fridge or what is it called? A fridge or a microwave.
I did check. Some of the reviews said they didn't, like they said they just asked to move rooms and they had to move them.
And there's a fridge in some of them. So ours just don't have it? Oh, okay, because yeah, ours don't have it. We had to ask the guy downstairs if we could use the microwave in the crew room. But now we have to just buy things and then like buy one. But we're right next to a Walmart, so it's not that bad. But the Walmart is ghetto, bro. Like there is like a big thing in the middle of the parking lot with that really tall with like a couple cameras on it, and then on it says something patrol. Cop patrol, cam patrol. So that's a cam patrol. And then you walk in, right next to the door, there's 3 cop cars. 2 regular cop car, 1 like undercover, just black cop car. Does not say cop on it, but you can tell it's a cop car with the lights and shit. You walk in, there's like 4 or 5 cops right there. And I guess they're...
like a normal desk.
Like a normal desk that they're at. So it's like just right when you walk out, I think they're like the people that watch it. Like I've never seen that. But also we live in small town Iowa. So ours is like, we got no one at the front desk, you know? It was kind of sketchy, like, what happened there? And then Allison's reading some reviews about the place we're at now and what happened.
So, the majority of the reviews were good. I would say, like, 3 out of every 5 reviews were good. But then there's, like, the 2 out of every 5 that were, like, there's a lot of sketchy people. One said that they think a lot of the people who walk the halls actually live somewhere in here because they don't look like they're guests. They look, like, too comfortable with it. They think that homeless people live in here.
But if they're homeless, how do they pay? Because yes, it's cheap, but at the long run, this is more expensive than our rent at our place.
Yeah. But then one of the things said that the people were staying in their room and they saw a gunfight out in the parking lot. They had to call security.
My car is out there that I just got. Another thing sketchy was we looked outside this window right here. And this guy was writing down car numbers. Like, what? Like, he went behind one. And I only saw, like, one car. How much cars do you see?
I saw him write down one.
That one car right there. And he was just writing it. So I knocked on the window so, like, he knew I was watching. And then just walked away. So it kind of looked sketchy. So that was kind of sketchy. But we parked we first started over there because we didn't know what building we got. But since we're here, I parked right outside so I can watch out that window right there. But yeah, it's kind of sketchy right now. But for this cheap, we were going to stay with Allison's aunt, but then she's busy this week, so this is what we can afford. Well, we can afford better, but then why would we afford better when we could just waste more money at Mall of America and shit, right? Mm-hmm. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. I'll catch you guys on the flippity flip flip.
Flippity flip flip.
Bye.